This is the complete guide in which we will discuss the new state pension. So let's discuss the eligibility criteria for the new state pension. You will be able to claim the new state pension if you are a man born on or after 6th April 1951, a woman born on or after 6th April 1953. The earliest you can get the state pension is when you reach state pension age. If you reached state pension age before 6th April 2016, these rules do not apply. Instead, you will get the basic state pension. On my channel, there is another video regarding the basic state pension, which you can check if you are eligible for that. Now let's discuss your national insurance record. You will usually need at least 10 qualifying years on your national insurance record to get any state pension. They do not have to be 10 qualifying years in a row. This means for 10 years, at least one or more of the following apply to you. You are working and paid national insurance contribution. You getting national insurance credit, for example, if you were unemployed, ill or partner or parent or carer. You are paying voluntary national contribution. You have lived or worked abroad. You might still be able to get some new state pension. You might also qualify if you have paid married woman or widow reduced rate contribution. Working after state pension age. If you keep working after you reach state pension age, you can stop paying national insurance. You can also request flexible working arrangements. Now let's discuss what you will get when you will claim state pension age. Your state pension amount depends on your national insurance record. The full new state pension is £203.85 per week. The only reason you can get more than the full state pension if you have over a certain amount of additional state pension. You defer taking your state pension. You will get a state pension if you have other income like a personal pension or a workplace pension. You might have to pay tax on your state pension. Now let's discuss how it's get paid. After you have made claim, you will get a letter about your payment. The new state pension is usually paid every 4 weeks into an account of your choice. If you want to change your account, tell the pension service. You are paid in arrears for the last 4 weeks, not the coming 4 weeks. Your first payment will be within 5 weeks of reaching state pension age. You will get full payment every 4 weeks after that. You might get part of payment before your first full payment. The letter will tell you what to expect. Now let's discuss your payment day. So for example, last 2 digits of your national insurance number is 00 or up to 19. In that case, you will get paid on Monday. If your NI number last 2 digits 60 and 79, you will get paid on Thursday. The day your pension is paid depends on your national insurance number. You might be paid earlier if normal day is bank holiday. Now let's discuss how to claim these new state pension. If you wanted to claim this pension, you need to go on www.gov.uk, and on that website you will find this page where you will click apply now and you will register yourself to get the state pension. If you are applying online, you also need the invitation code from the letter about getting your state pension. If you have not received an invitation letter, but you are within 3 months of your reaching state pension, you can request an invitation code. What are the other ways to apply? You can apply by phone by phoning the state pension claim service, or by claim over the post. If you wanted to claim by post, you need to send a letter, a completed form on Pension Service 8, Post Handling Side B, and this is the postcode. Now let's discuss how it's calculated. When your state pension is £203.85 per week, what you will receive is based on your NI record. You did not make NI contribution or get NI credit before 6th April 2016, your state pension will be calculated entirely under the new state pension rules. You will usually need at least 10 qualifying years on your NI record to get the state pension. You will need 35 qualifying years to get the full new state pension. You will get the proportion of the new state pension if you have between 10 and 35 qualifying years. For example, you have 20 qualifying years on your national insurance record after 5th of April 2016. You divide 203.85 by 35 and then multiply by 20. Your new state pension will be about £116.48 per week. This is how you calculate your state pension. Now let's discuss the annual increases regarding the state pension. This new state pension increases each year by whichever is the highest. Earnings rises 2.5%. If you have a protected payment, which increases each year in line with the CPI. The new state pension has increased by 10.1% this year, in line with the CPI. CPI is known as Consumer Price Index. Now let's discuss the qualifying years if you are working. You may get national insurance credit if you cannot work, for example, because of illness or disability, or if you are a carer or you are unemployed. For example, you can get national insurance credit if you claim child benefit, get job seeker allowance, or get the carer allowance.